All right, so Donna, I apologize. We missed our call here today at 5:45, so I am making you a video. Currently, the Neato is in the off position and not connected to power. So, when we put the dustbin in and apply the power, and it is plugged in, nothing comes up on the home button. No lights, nothing on the LCD. Pressing the button one time, the button turns orange. Trying to get as much natural color here as I can. I've actually had the unit plugged in here since a little bit after 5 whenever I got home, so it's been on the charger for about an hour and 40 minutes, like this. Now, through reading online, I also read, and I'm gonna take it off power, the LED light goes away, dustbin off, turn the unit to the on position, dustbin in, the light turns orange. Now I have not pressed anything at this point, no light, and nothing on the LCD. Again, I'm not plugging on power. A single button click, nothing happens. Double button click, nothing happens. The only way that this light here can turn off, it's about a 5 to 8 second count here if I hold the button in, and then the light will turn off. So now the light is off, and it will remain off. Again, I don't have power plugged in, no light, nothing on the LCD. Now if I apply power, it appears to be charging, but again, it's 6:38 p.m. So it's been on the charger now for an hour and 40 minutes. And there's, I don't know if it's necessarily a charge issue, but the device just is not responsive. Coming up here to these buttons, again, now we're on the charger. Remember the the on button is on. These buttons are non-responsive. And since I've got the unit back, no matter what I push, no matter what I do, that LCD panel never comes on. I hope this video helps. Again, I'm sorry we missed our call this evening. Give me a call. Thanks, Donna.